crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash. Uh, this is 9. I have to count my fingers. This is 9, day 9 of my 25 days of Christmas. And, we all think that some things are just too difficult to do. And let me tell you, making a little stocking, either you can do it with paper. This is a fabric one. You can do it with felt. Is simpler than you imagine, I suppose. Just take a form. It doesn't have to be perfect. And glue gun around it. Put the right sides together, glue gun around it, turn it inside out, and put a little fuzzy at the top. You can do some eyelash, lace, you can do binding, you can do whatever you like. Print, or this I embroidered by machine, name on there, and you've got the cutest thing. And it doesn't have to be great big either. You can make it smaller than this. You can make it candy cane size. You can make it, and I know you can buy these at the dollar store or wherever for not much, but when you make it yourself, it's always an heirloom, and it's something that will be passed down. I was saying yesterday about the little sled ornament. The one that I showed isn't one that I made, but I copied it, and I made dozens of them. And somebody has a part of me. I signed the bottom, and hopefully for generations, it'll go on, and somebody will say, "Isn't that the cutest thing?" And maybe they'll copy it and send it on to their family. So the easy things, the simple things, sometimes can be the best. And so it doesn't have to be extravagant and full of, foo-foo or whatever it is. I'm one for making it easy, making it simple, and passing it on with love. And so that's what the holidays are all about. So just a reminder, try to do something like this. I'm going to see if I can make one out of paper. I'm going to use this actually as a template because I like the size of this. It's not too big and it's not too small, and see what I can do with that. So get out there and try it all. It's amazing, the creative people that are out there on Pinterest and YouTube, and those of us who aren't as creative, but we like to copy the idea and put a little spin on our own on that project. And it's just a wonderful thing. Crafting is therapy, and I truly, truly believe that. So get out there and do a little crafting, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.